Chicken yakni pulao is a favorite Pakistani dish, and today we will learn how to make this much liked pulao. Please follow me step by step. First of all, we will soak 700 grams rice for 1 hour. For preparation of yakni, pour 3-4 cup cooking oil in a frying pan and heat it at high flame. Add 100 grams sliced onion and fry. If you want to quicken the frying of onion, you may add 1 teaspoon salt to the pan. As the onion turns golden brown, add 1 leaf teaspat, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 black and 3 green cardamoms, 5 cloves, and fry for 1 minute more. When onion turns brown, pour half cup water and immediately cover the pan to lock the aroma and flavor of all the spices. After 1 minute of cooking, add 1 kilogram chicken pieces. Use leg and thigh pieces as these are more juicy and tasty, and fry chicken at medium flame. As you see that chicken has started changing its color, add 2 tablespoons garlic and ginger paste and fry all these contents till chicken gets golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon jeera whole, 1.5 tablespoon coriander whole, and 1 teaspoon black pepper whole. Mix. Then add 9 pieces of red chili whole. And 1 tablespoon saunf. During this chicken frying process, please constantly keep stirring and flipping the pieces and other material so that these are evenly fried and more importantly the contents do not get burned. Mix and fry for a while, and then shift this fried chicken into a bigger cooking pan to make yakni of it. Now add 3-4 cup yogurt. Fry for 1 minute or so, and then pour 1000 milliliters water, add 4 tablespoons salt, mix. Cover the pan and let the contents cook for 7 minutes to make a tasty yakni. The more aromatic and flavored your yakni will be, more your pulao will be delicious and mouth-watering. As you see that yakni is ready, add 700 grams rice, which you have soaked 1 hour before. If you feel that yakni is not enough to fully drown rice and meat, add more water. Water should be half an inch above rice and meat pieces. Now cook for 7 to 8 minutes at high flame. As the bubbles starts appearing, lower the flame, place griddle below the cooking pan, cover it and let it steam cook for 10 minutes at low to medium flame. Now turn off the flame, but keep the pan covered for at least 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, open and dish out, and enjoy the tasty chicken yakni pulao. If you liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos.